Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel has been created because of to teaching you about the different skill sets, including the Microsoft Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI, and many more skills. So I just wanted to start with the Microsoft Excel, starting with Microsoft Excel because of it is a pretty basics. Once you will get hands-on on the Microsoft Excel, it will pretty easy to learn the Power BI and the SQL as well. So start from the Microsoft Excel. First of all, I'll let you know about the which Microsoft I'm using to teach you. So click on File. Then you will be getting number of options on the left hand side. When you click on the account on the bottom left corner, you will be able to see which Microsoft Excel you are using. So when I click on the About Excel, you will be able to see the version of the Microsoft Excel we are using. So here I'm using the 2016 version. Uh, so hope if you will practice the Microsoft Excel with me, then you are using this Microsoft Excel 2016 version. Go back to the home page and it looks the UI of the Microsoft Excel look like this, wherein you will be able to see different options available here. First, as in blank workbook, welcome to Excel formula tutorial. And here you can see recent file and pinned files if you keep it. We will explore each and every option one by one. So let's start by using the blank workbook. So before starting, let me tell you about the basic of Microsoft Excel, how to read Microsoft Excel. So workbook means a combination of different sheet is called the workbook, and the sheet means a combination of the different rows and different columns. So herein you can see we are on the sheet 1. If you want to use another sheet, then click on the plus icon. It will help you to create new sheets every time. And we can use multiple sheets or create multiple sheet as required. To delete this sheet, click on the sheet uh, s- area and right click on it. You will get the option to delete it. So I'm going to delete every sheet as it is not required. So we will work on the sheet first. First of all, to read uh, this whole combination of the rows and the column, first I'll tell you about what is called this area. This is called the cell and it is read as D6. D as in column, 6 as in row. So this is D6 cell. This is K9 cell and you can see the K9 cell over here. The name of the cell you can see over here. It is I9. And to check how many rows are present in the Microsoft Excel and how many columns are present in the Microsoft Excel single sheet. So for that, we have the shortcut key, control down arrow. You will be able to see the number of rows in the single sheet. It is 10,48,576. And to check for number of columns present in the one sheet, it is control right arrow. You can see that we can extend our column till XFD column. So get back to the original position or the previous position, click control left arrow. You will uh, reach to the first column and to reach for the first row, control up arrow. You will come back to the original position that we were. Hope it clears that how to check the number of rows in the column and what are cells and Also, I'm telling you about the what is called rows and the column. A, B, C, D, E is are the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the rows. And from here we can see the name of the cell. Here the box is in this cell, so it is named as A1. So in today's video, we will learn about the different formatting present in the Microsoft Excel. So we will first start from the number formatting. So what is number formatting here? The formatting means we can change the pattern of the format, like we can change the value uh, in the like different cells present over here. Let's say I'll put 20, 30.00, 40.88, 30.45, 20, 20%, likewise. So here you wanted to see the number as in the decimal places or in the percentage. So we use the number formatting on this. So I'm going to create one table. So from here we can create a table using this outside border or all borders. So we have created 4 by 7 by 4 table where we can put different numbers. Okay. To change the format of this number, we use this option. Let's say you want to add the decimal places. So for that, click on this icon. So you can see once I click on this icon, it will add 10 after the decimal. Keep on clicking on this icon, it will keep on adding the number of zeros after the decimal. And to decrease, use this icon. Okay, hope this understood to you. And to add the percentage in this column, click on the percent icon. You will be able to see this all in the percent. And let's say you want to put comma. Comma means thousand separator. Wherever they find the thousand, they will add a separator comma. So use comma for this for um, that particular value. So to expand this column, you will get different options to format the number formatting, and click on the more number formats. You will be able to you will be able to see different category, including general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, spatial, and custom. So we will see one by one each and every options. So first of all, I'll just select single cell, that is 78. So I have selected the 78 over here. And to get back to this tab for the shortcuts is Control 1. If you click Control 1, you will land to this tab directly. So let's say you want to remove two decimal places, 20 after the decimal. So you have to click on here, and it will, when you will place 0 over here, then it will show only 78. Let me click on OK, and it will, you can see this as in 78 only. Likewise, for 56, if you want to change the decimal places, So I'm clicking on Control 1 and keeping the decimal place as 0. Click OK. You will be able to change the formatting. Again, for 67, clicking Control 1, and you want it to use a separator, and on this number you cannot use the comma over here because comma known as in the Microsoft Excel is a thousand separator, and here we have only 2 digits, so we cannot use a thousand separator. Let's say we will have the number more than 1000, 2000, 20,000. Okay, here we want to put separator comma for every thousand. So select it, Control 1, go to the number section, use separator, and don't want to use any decimal places. So it will give you the comma from 1000 and also remove the decimal places. So we can do it from here itself, from the number options, and click OK. You can see the changes. Same thing, if you want to try not going to that tab, you want to do directly. So we can do from the home page as well. Just select it and use the comma. So it will automatically add 20 after the decimal. So use this icon to decrease the decimal, and you will be able to use it. So it is a shortcuts, like you can use directly from here, or you have to go to this tab, and from there you can change the formatting of the number. And before continuing ahead, we have to name the sheet. So to name the sheet, we can double click on the sheet, so you can be able to edit the name of the sheet. So I'm just keeping this name as skill is cool first. So here, when you click on any other cell rather than here, it will auto save the name of the sheet. And next, we have to save this file as well, as for future purpose, we can use this file. Go onto the file section, choose save as, uh, save as per your requirement location. So I'm just saving this on my desktop, and keeping the name skill is cool first. So it's saved. Using the Control plus S, you can also save the file. Back to the concept, we are learning the number formatting, and herein we are getting different option. So we have covered the number, and let's say you want to change the currency symbol. So select this column. Before using the number formatting, select the column or select the cell where you want to choose a formatting. Click on the currency, and I don't want any decimal places, and using the symbol rupee. Once I click OK, you will be able to see all those value in rupee. And keep in mind, let's say here you keep the dollar sign. So that doesn't mean it convert this rupee into the dollar. That means it will only adding the symbol prefix to the value, not converting the value into any other currency. Let's say you want to use the dollar sign in the prefix of the 50. So you are selecting this cell, control 1, uh, s- control 1, and then currency, no decimal places needed, and symbol dollar. Using the drop down, I'm using the English Australia symbol dollar. Click OK. You will be able to use the dollar icon. Likewise, you can explore different option present in the number formatting tab. So coming to accounting, there is on two options available to edit the decimal places and to edit the symbol. So for today, that's it. We will cover other options of the number formatting, including date, time, percentage, text, custom, and special. We will continue in the next class. For any doubt, you can comment on the comment section, and accordingly, I will look on to the next class, and I will next video. I will clear the doubts there itself. That's for all today. Have a good day.